Lesson number 14, Banks and Simple Interest. In last lecture we had learnt about how to calculate interest and amount. Today we will learn about how to calculate rate of interest for how much time the loan has been taken or given with the help of interest and the principal. So let us study some example on that. Example number 1. Ramesh paid interest of rupees 3,300 after 2 years on rupees 15,000. Find at what rate of interest he borrowed the money. Solution. Here we have a principal rupees 15,000 that he had borrowed 15,000 from a bank. Rate of interest that we have to find out. Time was given 2 years and interest he paid rupees 3,300. We have formula interest is equal to P into T into R upon 100. So we will calculate rate of interest. So R is equal to I into 100 upon P into T. We know P is principal, T is time, I is interest. So R is equal to interest, that is 3,300 into 100 upon principal 15,000 into 2. So we will calculate, cancel the zeros. 3 5s are 15, 3 11s are 33, 2 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 11 1s are 11. So rate of interest is 11% per annum. Therefore Ramesh borrowed money at the rate of 11% per annum. Example number 2. Shambhaji Rao received interest of rupees 720 on the money he deposited in the bank of rupees 12,000 for 1 year. Calculate the rate of interest in which he deposited in the bank. Solution. Principal P rupees 12,000, rate of interest that we have to calculate, time 1 year, interest 720. As we have formula same, interest is equal to principal into time into rate of interest upon 100. So R is equal to, that is rate of interest is equal to I into 100 upon P into T. So 720 into 100 upon 12,000 into 1. When we calculate this, 12 1 12, 12 6 72. So R is equal to 6% per annum. Therefore Shambhaji Rao deposited money in the bank at the rate of 6% per annum. The interest on rupees 18,000 is rupees 3,240 at the rate of 9% per annum. Find the period for which the interest is paid. So in this sum we have to calculate the number of years. Solution. Principal is equal to rupees 18,000, rate of interest 9% per annum, time that we have to calculate, interest is equal to rupees 3,240. So interest is equal to P into T into R upon 100. The formula remains same. I will substitute the value. Interest 3,240, principal 18,000 into T into R, that is 9 upon 100. 0 gets cancelled. So we have 3,240 is equal to 180 into T into 9. Therefore 3,240 upon 180 into 9 is equal to T, that is time, the number of years. So when we calculate this we get 2. T is equal to 2 years. Therefore interest paid 3,240 for 2 years. Example number 4. Rajani deposited rupees 13,000 in a bank at the rate of 9% per annum. She collected rupees 1,170 as interest at the end of the period. For how many years had she deposited the money? Solution. Principal 13,000 rupees, rate of interest 9% per annum, time number of years that we have to calculate, interest 1,170 rupees. The formula remains same, interest is equal to P into T into R upon 100. We will put the values here. Interest 1,170, principal 13,000, T time into 9% per annum upon 100. 0 gets cancelled. 130 into T into 9. Therefore 1,170 upon 130 into 9 is equal to T. When we calculate this we get 1 year. Therefore Rajni deposited in a bank for 1 year. Now let us calculate interest on a period as it changes. The interest to changes. Now let us solve the example of changing the period. At a certain rate, the interest on principal of rupees 10,000 at the end of 1 year is rupees 750. What will be the interest on the same principal after 4 years? So you can see the principal remains same, rate of interest is not given, only interest is given, and the period was for 1 year. Now period is become for 4 years. Here principal is 10,000 remains same, interest for 1 year is 750. As the period increases, interest will also increase. Here period increased by 4 times, so the interest will also increase by 4 times. Therefore interest after 4 years is equal to 750 into 4, that is equal to rupees 3000. Let us see the example number 6 of the same type question. The interest on rupees 15,000 after 2 years at the rate of 11% per annum is rupees 3,300. What will be the interest on the same principal at the same rate after 6 years? Here the interest of rupees 3,300 was given for 2 years. As the principal remains same, rupees 15,000, the period has increased from 2 years to 6 years. That is, the period has increased by 2 into 3 is 6, that is 3 times. So the interest will also increase by 3 times. Therefore interest will be 3,300 into 3 is equal to rupees 9,900 for 6 years.